Selamat pagi dan salam sejahtera. Today I will explain about the function prototype, which is chapter 10 in our syllabus. Alright, so this is our function prototype. There I have the first one is return type that we wanna use in this coding, and this is a function name, which is area of circle, and intj is for parameter, which is j is jari. Okay, so after that we write the main function, which is what that we want to find. Alright, so I write int jawapan. So jawapan that we need to find is area of circle, and in this bracket is for j, which is jari. Okay, then the next step is I write printf. So this sentence will be print out in the output. Okay, so this circle has this for answer meter square area, so this answer will be displayed at here. So the next step, we wanna write the formula. So we write again the function prototype, which is int area of circle int j. Then we write the formula. So the formula is pi j square. So I write the number to be easy. So pi is 3.143, and j square is j star and j. Okay, so return jawapan. Let's see the output. Alright, so the output is this one. This circle has 201 meter square area. Alright, for the next part, I'm add some coding in the same coding app before, and also add some other function to be explained about the local variable and also global variable. Alright, so actually local variable is a variable that we only can use in the function, but if it have a same variable in the another function, but the output is still using for in that function that we use. Okay, for example, this one in I add this another function, which is who comes. Alright, the variable is people, is 10 people, but when you see this people is same variable like in this, in the another variable in the another function, which is main function here. So like I'm say that for local variable, the answer will be the output will be displayed and based on the variable in the function. So in this function, of course, when we turn run, it will be displayed here. It's based on variable people in this function, but when we become in the main function, the output for people is not 10 but it will be 5. It's based on the variable in functions. Okay, so let's see. Alright, so we see that this circle in the this one for the first video, and this is about what that I say. For this, total people count this party is 5, so it's including this one. Yeah. So what about the global variable? Global variable is a variable that we can use in all function that we have, but we need to put it at the first before the main function, also before all of the function that we use. For example, we let in this empty 6. Alright, so if you want to display here also can, and also if you want to display here is also can, because global variable is can use for all function that we need to put it in the our coding lah. Okay, so next coding we move to the array. So basically this part is coding that we write for array. Okay, so char is the return type that we use because we want to display the name, which is Dania, Teja, and also Laila. Alright, so from that we have 3 names. So inside this bracket, shape bracket, I write 3 because that's why, because we have 3 names here. And this is a function's name, which is I use the student names on, and also this star here because actually I think it don't have in the note, but when I write the coding and it have the error, so in the note at the error it say that we need to put a star here, so I'm just go with proceed with it lah. So we move to this part. Actually I write 3 this because the size of the array is 3, which is I wanna write the tree's name. So the size of this array is 3, but the index is only 2 because we starting with 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so for easy to understand, I'm just wanna explain this. When we print out the top student in physics is okay, this one. The answer is this one is for student's name 0. I mean this the array student name at the index 0. So the index 0 is will be Dania. Okay, so the next sentence, the answer, the output is the top student for chemistry. So the answer for this sentence is array student names for index 1. So index 1 is Teja. Alright, so for conclusion, but the answer, okay, also got the highest number to in the both subject, like answer and answer. It means this is for answer 1, 2 and 3. So answer 1, the output will be student names for index 2, which is Lala. Alright, and the answer 2 will be the second whatever here, second array here. So student name at the index 0, which is Tanya, and the answer for the third one is at array names for index 1, which is Theta. So let's see the output. Click run. Let's see, the top student is Dania, which is here. Student names in index 0 is Dania, and then I forgot to he said some mistake here, so which is when I try to correct it first here, maybe. Alright, so okay, so wait, alright, this Also, I just want to adjust the sentence to be more clearly lah. Alright, so we continue. For the second sentence, which is the answer is data, so it's names in the array in the index 1, so 1 here. This. Alright, so the last I write that student's name 2, which is Nella, need to be declared. We should display at here lah. So yeah, it's become here. So that's all for my array in this coding. Okay, this is array for linear recursive. Linear recursive is mean we wanna find the true answer in the linear. So where is the index? Which one is that in the array is the true answer. So this is my array. Okay, so the return type is integer int because I'm choose to find the number, and the function's name is this number. So I have 5 number, so in the array I put 5 in the bracket, square bracket. So alright, the next step I write the loop for, which is int I equal to 0, then I less than 5, and I plus plus. It means it will be loop until I is greater than 5, it will be stopped. Okay, so the number that I wanna find is 50. So if it a true number, will be displayed at true, that's true. So if not, this will display this wrong, and try again. So the number that I want is 60. The 60 is at the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at 3, let's see if you run. Alright, it will be wrong 3 times, which is this is not correct. And at the fourth one, that's true because the answer is 19, is same as that I wanna find. And the last one is wrong, and try again, and the loop will be stopped. So that's all for linear recursive. Next is array to find the maximum value. So basically we need to create an array, this one. So basically we have int for integer, which is number, and our index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but the size is 8. So how to find the maximum? The first is we need to declare the maximum number. So we check one by one, start from index 0. So we let that maximum number is list of number, which is our array, starting from 0 index. So 0 index is 54. So we check that 54 is the maximum value or not. Okay, so the next step is we did the for. So function for is for we to check one by one index that it is the maximum value or not. So I did that if list name of list of number, which is start from I is 0, so it means that start from index 0, which is 55, is maximum value. If yes, maximum value will be changed to to a list of number index, which is we will find the maximum value. So for the next example, if we try for the next loop, we try the other index is index 1, so the number is 20. So 20 is greater than maximum number. Maximum number we right now is 54, so the answer is wrong, right? So it's continue the loop until we find this one, 97. So when 97, list of name for 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 is maximum number or not? So maximum number right now is 68. After we change the maximum value of this, because 68 is greater than 54, right? So when we check, yes, 97 is greater than 68. So right now it's maximum. List of the number is 97. So the looping will be continue until it's n until I less than 8. So if the loop is stopped, it will be print out the maximum number is what that the last output that we got. So the answer is 97. Okay. Alright, for the next coding is array to find the minimum value. So as usual, we create an array for the random number. So we have 8 number at here. So let's say I declare that minimum number is starting from the index of 0 in the array. So right now mean that minimum number is 54. Alright, so after that it will be come to the looping. So we check that the list of number I right now is 0, is less than minimum. If it's yes, if it's true, it will be changed the minimum number to the list of number I. So right now is 0, and index 0 is 54. So 54 is equal to min number, because min number right now is also at the index 0, so it's wrong. Next will be change for I equal to 1. So I equal to 1 is here, I equal to 1, which means that this is 20. So 20, let's check. 20 is lower than minimum number. Minimum right now is 54. So 54 is true, right? So the minimum number will change to 20. Alright. So after that, the looping will be continue to check all of the number in the array. So after it check, it will be get the answer, the minimum number. So after the looping stop, the next process is print out the output. So this is a sentence. So the maximum number is min number that we got here. So let's see. Okay, the minimum number is 20. Alright.